Hi, my name is John Kelly of the Kelly Law Team. I want to talk to you today about what makes trucking accidents unique in personal injury claims. So there are several factors that make a trucking accident much different than a typical auto accident. These are very complex cases, and my law firm set up to handle these cases in a very orchestrated way. And the law firm needs to be that way to actually take them and get settlements that are good results. So what makes them unique? There could be multiple defendants that we're going after. So we're talking about the driver of the actual truck and what negligence he or she may have had. We're talking about the company and what negligence the company may have. So is there negligence in training? Is there negligence in maintaining their vehicles? Is there negligence in following the rules and regulations that are put in place for trucking companies to make sure that there are no accidents? The next thing that I think makes a trucking accident unique is that there's often multiple claims that we can make. There's negligence, there's negligent supervision, there's vicarious liability, which means that the driver is negligent, but you can hold the company negligent on top of the driver for the driver's actions, and that's something that we do often. There's there's product liability cases often with trucking accidents, where the tire's maintained, where all the equipment on the vehicle up to date and in good condition and safe condition. These are things that make multiple claims within one case. So you have one accident, but you're making multiple negligence claims. And some of those may be successful and others may drop off eventually, but we make multiple claims to make sure that these cases are successful. The third thing that I think makes a trucking accident complex and different than a typical motor vehicle accident is that we have so many different witnesses to interview. Oftentimes in a trucking accident, we want to interview a corporate witness, someone that has information about the corporation, about the trucking company. What are their standard procedures? What are their training policies? How do they hire their drivers? How do they make sure that their drivers are being safe on the road? How do they purchase their equipment? These may be multiple different people that we need to interview in the process of figuring out what maybe went wrong on the road. The fourth thing is that we have a lot of experts involved. Experts are needed. We need to hire them, we need to interview them and have them understand the case. There's also the fifth thing, which is a lot of physical evidence in the accident. The sixth thing is the rules and regulations that are used by the industry to make sure that trucking drivers are safe on the road. And these are put out by the federal and state rules and regulations. If you have a trucking accident that you would like me to consider, to overview and look at, please give us a call, Kelly Law Team, 602-283-4122.